Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Crexi for investment listings and analytics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in crexi.com and press enter. Wait for the Crexi homepage to load completely. On the top right corner of the page, locate and click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding box. If you want the system to remember your login, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, click the blue login button beneath the input fields. After a moment, you will be redirected to your Crexi dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your email and password are entered correctly. You can reset your password by clicking the Forgot Password link and following the instructions. Once logged in, navigate through the various sections to access investment listings and analytics. Feel free to explore the search function to find specific properties or market data. Utilize the filter options to narrow down your search results based on your preferences. Remember to save any listings you are interested in for future reference. Now you are ready to make the most of Crexi's investment tools and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.